Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Woody. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off near the top and we're going to draw the brim of the hat with a curve across. Then from each end, let's step in and let's draw 2 lines down for the sides of the head. And then let's curve it down and in, meeting in the center for the chin. Now that we have the shape of the head, let's hop in and draw the face. Let's start near the top and let's draw 2 ovals for the eyes. And then inside each eye, let's add a circle. And then another one inside at the top. And then color the pupils in black. Now we're going to hop up and on top of each eye, let's add a curve for the eyebrows. Then let's bring it up from the center and curve it out. Next, let's hop to the middle and draw the nose. Let's start with a curve down, curve it over to the left, and a small line up. And then underneath for the mouth, let's add a curve across. With 2 small lines at the ends. And lastly, for the face here, at the top, let's add a curve for the hair. Next, we're going to hop out and draw the ears with a curve on each side. Then inside, let's draw a curve down from the top with a bump at the bottom. Then on top of each ear, let's add a curve down for the hair. Now that we're done the head here, let's add the hat. Let's start on each side and let's draw a curve up and bring it in like this. And connect it with the curve, dipping it down in the center. Now along the edge of the hat, we're going to start inside and let's draw a curve out. And let's leave a gap and work our way around. Now to continue the hat, let's draw 2 curves up on top. And curve it up, meeting in the center. And then inside, let's add a curve across near the bottom. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and draw the body. Let's start with 2 lines down for the neck. And a V-shaped point underneath. Now inside the neck, let's add a curve across. And then let's bring it out on each side for the shoulders. Now on top of the left shoulder, let's draw 2 curves up. And another one underneath for the ends of the bandana. Now let's hop back to the center and let's draw 2 angles down. And back up for the collar. Next, we're going to add the vest. From each side of the shoulders, let's bring it down. Then hop in and 2 more lines down in the center. And close off the bottom of each side with a curve across. Now let's hop in and let's draw some details on the vest. Let's start by drawing a star shape on the right side. Now let's add the cow pattern by drawing some wavy lines on the top. One on the left side here, and 2 at the bottom. And then let's color these spots in black. And that's it for the vest. Now let's hop underneath and let's draw 2 lines down. And then a curve across the bottom. Now inside this bottom section, let's add 2 curves across for the belt. Then inside the belt, let's add an oval in the center. And then 2 lines down on each side. Now that we're done the belt, let's hop in and let's draw 2 circles in the center here for the buttons. And then in the center, let's draw a line down in between the buttons and then to the bottom. And to add the pattern on the shirt, let's draw another line down on each side. And then lines going across. And that's it for the torso. Next, let's hop underneath and let's draw 2 lines down in the center for the legs. Then hop out and let's bring it down and curve it slightly in at the bottom. Now we're going to take a pause here on the legs. On the left of the belt, we're going to add the holster. Let's draw a rectangle shape out. Then underneath, let's draw a line out and curve it back down and in. Then inside, let's add a curve at the top and then a curve underneath along the side. And that's it for the holster. Now let's add the arms. From the shoulders, let's angle it out on each side. And then another angle down underneath. And then under this one, let's bring it back in to the sides of the body. And then another angle underneath this one. Then on the left, let's add a curve inside for the end of the sleeves. And then a bump next to the holster for the fingers. And for the right side, let's draw a curve down. Then for the fingers, let's add a bump up and curve it back in. Lastly, for the arms here, let's draw the pattern of the shirt. Let's start inside at the top and let's draw 2 bent lines down each arm. And then let's add some stripes going the opposite direction down each arm like this. And that's it for the upper body. Now let's move to the bottom and let's finish the legs. Let's start with 2 lines down underneath each one. Then at the bottom, let's draw the boots, starting with a curve across that's a little bit longer on each side. And then let's bring them both down. Now from the inside line, let's bring it down further. And then from the other line, let's curve it out and down. Now for the bottom of the boots, let's start in the center. We're going to hop up and let's draw a wavy line out like this. Then let's add the heel of the boot by drawing a line down and across. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw another curve across at the top. And then inside at the bottom, let's add a circle. Then on both sides of the circle, let's add 2 lines angling it up and out. And then 2 lines down underneath. And that's it for Woody. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me. And please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!